Open Google Classroom app, then select your class, and in Stream tab you can see that there is option share with your class. You can tap here and you can write anything you want to share with your class. Submit assignment on unit 1, and by tapping this icon I can attach assignment here. For example, I will upload file here. For example, this is my assignment file. I'll tap on open. This file contains questions, assignment questions. By tapping here you can post this immediately with class, or there is another option. Tap on these 3 vertical dots, more options, and you can see that you can schedule this, or you can save as draft, or you can delete this draft. Okay, and this is not useful for us. We can schedule this post by typing here. Here it is asking schedule for. I will select, for example, I want this post to be shared with student on 5th of June. I will tap OK, and time is optional. I can choose, for example, 11 o'clock. I want to share this post on 11 o'clock. Tap on OK and tap on this schedule button. Now you can see that our post is scheduled on 5th of June at 11 o'clock. Okay. There is another method. I will press back. I will tap again on this icon, share with your class. I will write, for example, engine classification, and I will tap here to show you more options. You can save this draft. Okay, our draft has been saved. Okay. You can see that on saved announcement here, if I click on the save announcement, I will see this draft here. Okay, if I want to change the content of engine classification, I will tap here and I will attach a document here. For example, I will upload a file. For example, this is our file. Now you can see that our file has been attached here. After tapping post icon, our post will be shared with student immediately. Now you can see that the engine classification post, this post has been shared with student. Okay, and on save announcement you can see that this is scheduled for the 5th of June. If I want to delete this post, tap here and tap on this 3 vertical dot, more option button, and you can delete this draft and press delete here. Now you can see that our post has been deleted from this saved button.